This is the GBH18 VLI Professional 18-volt cordless rotary hammer. It's the ideal rotary hammer for all the common drilling diameters of 6, 8 and 10 millimeters, and can also provide a bit more power if required. With a weight of 2.6 kilograms and a single impact energy of 1.7 joules, the GBH18 VLI Professional offers the best power-to-weight ratio in its class. Thanks to its pneumatic hammer mechanism and its efficient Bosch EC motor, it enables you to drill up to 115 holes with only one battery charge. This hammer offers optimum balance due to its short and compact design, thus ensuring perfect handling. It remains fully functional even if it's dropped from a height of up to 2 meters. Experience for yourself the unsurpassed performance of the GBH18 VLI Professional cordless rotary hammer. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.